So in this video, I'm going to walk you through how to connect Claude Code to your iMessage on your iPhone. So here we are looking at the Claude Code docs. And when you come down here, currently the channel supports Telegram, Discord, and also iMessage. So we're going to work on iMessage. So here we are looking at the exact steps. So let's start with step 1. So the first step we need to do is to grant full disk access. So how we're going to do that is come to Settings, System Settings, go to Privacy and Security, and go to full disk access. And then we are going to toggle on the Visual Studio Code, which is the IDE that we're using. So we can quit and reopen. So here we're looking at the Visual Studio Code. And the next step is we need to install the plugin. So it's very simple. We can just copy this code and then come to Visual Studio Code and then press Control backtick to open up the terminal, type in Claude, and then paste in that code here. Press and enter. And let's go with install for all collaborators on this repository. Click on enter. And what you want to do is to press on /reload plugins to activate it. So after that, you want to click on Control C to exit. And this step is done. So let's come up here. So let's come back here and press on clear. And let's come back to this doc page and let's copy this command and then paste it in here. Press enter. And then you'll see listening for channel messages. From plugins, iMessage. So let me open up iMessage and let me send myself a message. Hi, can you see this? And then you'll see the message appear here. You want to allow access. And then it's going to ask you if you want to proceed. You can either click yes here, or you can just reply it in the iMessage where you can say yes, NNFIE. Send. And you'll be able to grant the permission that way on your phone as well. So you can see the reply here. Yes, I can see this. I'm Derek's AI assistant. How can I help? Sent by Claude. So this is how you can connect Claude to your iPhone, iMessage. And just to be clear, when I sent this message, I simply just opened up my iPhone and just sent this message to myself. And when you do that, it will show up here. And from now on, you'll be able to talk to Claude Code directly from your iPhone. And keep in mind that for it to work continuously, you do need to keep your Claude Code window open on your computer. So that's one thing to note. So this is how you can connect Claude Code to your iMessage. So I hope this was helpful. Consider subscribing if you want to see more tutorials on how to use Claude Code. Any questions you have, just leave it in the comments below, and I hope to see you in the next one.